Welcome to our channel. A portable streaming rig allows you to broadcast professional quality content from any location, perfect for events, outdoor productions, or mobile content creation. Step 1. Select a powerful laptop or mini PC that can handle video encoding and streaming software while remaining portable enough to transport easily. Step 2. Choose a high-quality camera with clean HDMI output that can run continuously without overheating, considering options like mirrorless cameras or dedicated streaming cameras. Step 3. Invest in a video capture device that converts your camera's HDMI signal to USB so your computer can process the video feed. Step 4. Select a reliable microphone system, either wireless lavaliers for mobility or a shotgun mic for directional audio capture. Step 5. Choose an audio interface if you need multiple microphone inputs or professional audio processing capabilities. Step 6. Pack a portable lighting setup with battery-powered LED panels to ensure consistent lighting in any environment. Step 7. Bring multiple power solutions, including portable battery packs, power banks, and extension cords to keep your equipment running. Step 8. Install streaming software like OBS Studio or vMix on your computer and configure your scenes and audio sources. Step 9. Test your mobile internet connection using cellular hotspots or portable routers with sufficient upload bandwidth for streaming. Step 10. Create a checklist of all equipment and cables to ensure nothing is forgotten when setting up at your location. Your portable streaming rig is ready for professional broadcasts anywhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.